So the funny thing is that it's 5:30 p.m. and it's already dark out here. I am really determined to see Beetlejuice. This is the commitment. It's pretty cold. I brought my gloves, my beanie, everything. So I should be pretty warmed up because we don't want to get sick around here. I made it to Times Square, and now I'm on my way to get some pizza over here. Thank you. So I was able to come down to the MCT. It was pretty cool from here. Waiting for the second act, and now I am in the middle of Times Square on my way to the hotel. I just finished watching the show. It was a great show. I already knew the songs, I already knew the show, but I've never seen it live, and I'm so glad that I came and did that because this is the third time that Beetlejuice come back to Broadway, and I don't know if it'll be here. I don't think it's actually gonna be here for long, so I could say that I saw it. Anyway,